Hi traders, today I want to show you a demo trade that I took on the S&P 500 and the reason behind the trade. So as you can see, we have been retracing and we took out all the buy side liquidity around here, we took out around here, and we also took out all the relatively equal highs, and we filled this gap as well. By looking at the daily time frame, we can clearly see we have a swing high form and we closed bearish yesterday, which means there's a lower high on the left of it and the lower high on the right of it. And this is most likely the high of the week on Tuesday, and on Wednesday we have a bearish close. So today for Thursday, it is likely that today buyers will be bearish. We don't really need it to close as a bearish candle as long as we have a bearish expansion to the downside. Looking at the lower time frame, you can clearly see there's some shift in market structure. So over here, going to the 1H, you can clearly see we have a relatively equal lows residing here, which means we have sell side liquidity, and this might be the target of the price. We don't really need it to reach here, we just need to make sure that it's moving towards that direction. If we look at 15-minute time frame, we'll have a better picture of what's going on. So let's put in our time. We took out the buy side right here. And we have a market structure shift. Let's put in the time. We have our 8:30 open around here, and we look to the left and we took out the buy side liquidity and we have a market structure shift. Let's go down to the lower time frame to look for our fair value gap. Clearly, we do not really have a clear fair value gap that we can take a trade. That's why let's go down one more time frame. Let's go to the 3 minutes. On the 3 minutes, we have a tiny little gap around here, and we also have our fair value gap forming around here, which is the trade idea that I took. And I took this demo trade and I placed just slightly above this. As you can see, we do not really have a very clear fair value gap or entrance point that we can use around here, but we do have another market structure shift, which is right here, and we have this very nice fair value gap that we can take a trade, which I did on the demo trade, targeting this fair value gap on the 15 minutes. The reason why I target this area is because if we draw the fib, we have this 15% and this will be premium. We short it at the premium range down to the discount, and just right over here we have a very nice gap, and this is where we take our profit.